Now that we have our style rules created, we can go ahead and create our divs inside the body tags. First, we will create a container that will contain all the elements of our page. Inside the container, we'll insert the header. And remember that the header contains our navigation. And the navigation elements are structured within an unordered list. So that's what that will look like. Next, we'll insert our content wrapper. And the content wrapper again will contain all our 3 columns. And then insert the content column div. This is the center content area. And we created the inner text rule that adds the padding or the margin around our text. So we'll go ahead and insert the inner text div. And inside this div, we'll insert some text. The next div we want to insert is the left column. And so just create this code block. So we have the div for the left column, and then inside the left column, again, we're using the inner text div to add margin and some font styling to our text. And this is just some random text that we've entered. And we'll do the same for the right column. And the last thing we'll enter is our footer. And that's the entire page completed. So go ahead and preview it in your browser. And this is the end result. So that's a responsive CSS layout.